Imagine waking up one day and finding your hair has thickened dramatically without surgery or invasive treatments. For millions battling hair loss, this could soon become a reality thanks to a groundbreaking discovery in regenerative medicine. The drug PP405, developed by Pelage Pharmaceuticals, is making waves in the scientific community by targeting the root cause of baldness in a way no existing treatment has before. But here's where it gets controversial. While traditional solutions like minoxidil or finasteride focus on slowing hair loss, PP405 claims to restart the hair growth cycle entirely. Could this be the missing piece in the puzzle of hair restoration? Let's dive into the science, the results, and the questions it raises. Hair thinning and bald spots aren't just cosmetic concerns. They're deeply tied to self-confidence and emotional well-being. For decades, people have relied on shampoos, oils, and chemical treatments, but these often provide fleeting results. A recent Phase 2A clinical trial, clinicaltrials.gov/NCT06393452, offers a fresh perspective. Researchers found that PP405, a topical solution, can reactivate dormant hair follicle stem cells. These cells, which stop functioning due to aging, stress, or hormonal shifts, are the key to natural hair regrowth. By awakening them, PP405 doesn't just slow hair loss, it reignites the process of hair production itself. And this is the part most people miss. The drug works locally on the scalp, avoiding systemic side effects, making it a safer long-term option. So how does it actually work? Think of dormant hair follicles as sleeping seeds in a garden. PP405 acts like sunlight and water, providing the energy, in the form of lactate, needed to revive them. In trials, participants applied the solution daily for 8 weeks, and 31% saw a 20% increase in hair density. Some even reported regrowth in previously bald patches. Unlike conventional treatments that mask the problem by boosting blood flow or hormone levels, PP405 tackles the cellular cause. This approach is revolutionary, but it also sparks debate. If PP405 works so well, why haven't we heard of it before? Is it too good to be true, or is this the future of hair restoration? The clinical data is promising, but not without questions. The Phase 2A trial involved 78 participants, a relatively small sample size. While side effects were minimal, larger-scale Phase 3 trials, planned for 2026, will determine its true efficacy. If successful, PP405 could become the first FDA-approved treatment that restores hair rather than just preserving it. But let's not ignore the elephant in the room. How will this technology be priced? Will it be accessible to everyone, or just another luxury for the wealthy? These are the kinds of ethical dilemmas that come with medical breakthroughs. For now, PP405 remains a hopeful glimmer on the horizon. Its potential to regenerate hair without surgery or harsh chemicals has dermatologists and patients buzzing. Imagine a world where baldness is no longer a lifelong sentence, but a reversible condition. But, as with any innovation, the devil is in the details. How long until it reaches the market? Industry experts estimate 5 to 7 years of regulatory hurdles and testing. Until then, we're left with more questions than answers. What do you think? Will PP405 redefine hair loss treatment, or is it just another overhyped miracle cure? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's discuss. Is science finally ready to outsmart baldness, or are we still chasing a dream?